Let's look a little bit more closely at the white balance tool. Earlier I told you that this little icon up here is the white balance tool, 1, 2, 3 over from the left hand side. I can come into my image and click where I believe it to be a neutral color to do a white balance. So with that selected, I'm just going to click once. It made it warmer. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here. So as I click around, you can see I'm getting different white balances. What is white? What is white and what is wrong? So what is right or what is wrong? That's up to you. Look for something neutral. Another thing is I can hold my shift key and double click on the temperature slider, and I can hold the shift key again and click on the tint slider. And that is what Adobe believes that my white balance should be. I can always come in here and move the slider a little bit to make an adjustment. I'm playing with the temperature sliders over here. We've gone from a white balance of as shot to a custom white balance. The minute I start to change these, it changes this to saying custom. I can play with auto. That's what auto looks like. That's what daylight looks like. Cloudy, shade, tungsten, fluorescent, flash, and back to custom. And I'm pretty happy right there for the moment. So that's the white balance tool.